Luke Colwell from Neath, originally 31. I run multiple businesses, e-commerce businesses and Optimus You fitness brand. So I started running my own businesses around about 15 months ago. Then 4 or 5 months ago, I started doing something that I wanted to do for years and years, really passionate about, is starting a sustainable gym wear brand. I was looking around for places around the Talbot area, and the prices are extortionate, especially with business rates and things like that. Then a friend actually mentioned to me if you were an ex-student, you could potentially have an office in the Centerprise. And here we are now. And I'm really thankful. We've got obviously Maureen on reception, and she acts as basically the receptionist for us. We've got full access to get deliveries in and out. So obviously I'll utilise that. So you've got the kitchen area, good toilet facilities. It's just everything that you need for a good office. I was a business student in the college, and that was really a good startup for me to get into. I've always been interested in business, but it took me quite a long time to get back involved with it, but it was a really good start for me, and it's something that I can always reference back to as well. If you've got passion about something, you will succeed. Don't overthink things, because that's what I did, and I regret. From the ages of 18 to probably 27, 28, I always put it behind me and said, oh, it's too much of a risk, it's too much of a risk. If you don't try, you don't succeed. And if you do fail, it doesn't mean you're a failure, because at least you had a go.